Good afternoon. I'm your South Florida lawyer, Patrick McGinn, and I am your best friend at your worst time. I want to tell you about somebody I follow on Instagram. Her name is Trish Blackwell. She's a life coach, a personal coach, and an encourager, and overall positive person. She posted something the other day. I always read what she posts. I always consume her content. She probably has no clue who I am, but she's one of the people I always pay attention to. She posted something on Instagram the other day that thought management is more important than time management. And that's certainly something I can personally relate to. I learned a long time ago, once you learn to control your thoughts, you learn to control your life, you learn to control your happiness, and you learn to control your success. And that can be difficult at times because when you're under pressure, you're feeling anxious, you're feeling depressed, you're under stress, thoughts come in and out of your mind very, very quickly. They move very, very fast. It keeps you awake at night, and they move so fast you can't process them. So here's what I do and what works for me. Maybe it'll work for you. I take out a legal pad because we know all lawyers have legal pads. I take out a legal pad. I write the thoughts down as they come in. This causes the thoughts to slow down, and finally they slow down to a point where they're manageable. I hope you found that information useful. I hope it works for you. If it does, let me know.